to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do face landmark detection using MediaPipe in native Android application. So first I'll show you the output, what the output looks like. So here I have one button called pick image, and from this you can select any image of a person. So I will select this image, and here you can see on that face it has drawn this landmark thing like the eyebrows, the eyes, the mouth. So yeah, I will select some other image as well. So here you can see the same thing, and I will select the third image as well. So here you can see the same thing. So that's what we will be doing. So first just create an Android project, native Android project, and I'm using empty views project, but you can use Jetpack Compose if you want to. And what you will have to do, you will have to go to this documentation first, go to the model section, click on model section over here, and you will have to where did it, yeah, you will have to download this model. So once you download this model, go to your Android project, right click, new folder, assets folder, just click on finish. I have already created this, and inside assets folder you will have to drag and drop your TensorFlow Lite model which we just downloaded. Once you do that, first you will have to go to build.gradle.kts, and here you will have to add this MediaPipe dependency. If you are watching this video in future, this version might have changed. So what trick you could use is just do 0.0.0 and Android Studio will itself tell you what is the latest version. So just right click, change to whatever is the latest version. Okay, next I have also included coil because I want to show the image which the user has picked from our photos library inside an image view, and on that image view we will draw the face landmark thing. Now just click on sync. Now for that face landmark thing where it draw the eyes and all that stuff, mouth and all that stuff, for that I have just copy pasted this bit of I'll show you where did it go. So if you go to the documentation again, you will have to click on this overlay view.kt. So I have just literally copy pasted it, so I won't be explaining it to you much, but basically I think what they are doing is that they are getting the result of our face landmark, and then they are drawing something on it using the canvas. So yeah, I mean, if you want, you can slow this video down and just copy paste it. That's what I have done. Sorry, I can't able to explain it to you, and it's not really a big file. So yeah. Okay, once you have done this, next what you will have to do is you will have to go to activity_main, and here as you can see I have taken a button, and then I have taken an image view which occupies the entire width and height, the remaining entire width and height. And similarly, whatever is your width and height of your image view, you will also have to call this overlay view if whatever you have defined over here, right? So this package name will change for you, so be careful. So you can just type something like overlay view and it will automatically do IntelliSense for you. So just click on that, but make sure whatever width and height is of your image view, you assign the same width and height. Here it is 0 dp because the constraints are same. If you see, the constraints are same. So whatever is your width and height of your image view, make sure you assign the same width and height to your overlay view as well, otherwise it won't be able to draw it on your face. Okay, next what I have done inside colors.xml, I have just taken this blue color because I am using this blue color over here somewhere. So if I just go, so here you can see I am using this blue color. Next, inside main activity, all I have done is that I have initialized our overlay button and image view, and if you see over here I have initialized our overlay button and image view, and on button click listener I am just calling this get content.launch array of images which will open the photo picker. So if I come back over here, sorry, you don't need this. So here firstly we are defining our base options builder, and whatever is the name of your TensorFlow model, make sure you use the same name over here as well. Then I am using face landmark options builder set base options. So minimum face detection confidence, minimum tracking confidence, minimum face present confidence and number of faces I have set it to 1. This is 0.5f. So the values are from 0 to 1.0, sorry. So I have selected as 0.5f, and the number of faces I have just selected to 1, and running mode is for image. And here I have set our options as well using options builder, and here I am using face landmarker. So once a register for activity result is called, I am using this lifecycle scope.launch. Okay, so that everything can be moved on the background thread of IO, and from that URI we are just creating a bitmap. Once we have the bitmap, we are converting it to this particular format which is required by this library. Then the bitmap is converted to MP image over here. Then we are calling face landmarker.detect MP image, and once we get the result, I am just setting overlay view dot set results. I am passing our result, the bitmap's height and width as well, and also on the main thread I am just setting our image views dot load. So this comes from coil, and just setting our bitmap. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.